Automation Direct is your one-stop shop for all your control panel needs. We sell whatever you might need to build high-quality control panels with high stocking rates, fast free shipping, and highly competitive prices. Automation Direct offers several varieties of rigid and flexible wiring duct, spiral wire wrap, and wire sleeving. Rigid wire duct is offered in standard, thin finger, and solid wall styles in a variety of sizes for all your panel wiring needs. Most are available in standard gray and white. Some also come in blue, often used for intrinsically safe wiring, and black, which is often used for data cables, fiber optics, and the like. Solid wall wire duct offers better protection from dust, water splash, and other industrial flying particles inside and outside of the control panel. Dinosaur self-adhesive flexible wire duct is ideal for transporting wiring to cabinet doors from control panel interiors. It is resilient and can be bent and twisted without breaking. It's easy to add or remove individual wires from the total wire bundle within the duct, making it convenient for applications requiring frequent access to wiring. For neatly grouping wire bundles, simply and economically, spiral wire wrap has no equal. Strong yet easy to install, it protects the cable or wire bundle, keeping it flexible though tightly contained. It is easily removed and reusable for temporary wiring. The lightweight expandable wiring sleeving has an open weave to allow maximum diameter expansion. It is super flexible and easy to install, gripping objects of various shapes and sizes reliably. It is abrasion resistant and provides extra protection against chemicals and flame. Automation Direct is providing the products and support you need to make us your common sense way to buy industrial controls. Please see this playlist for all your panel building needs. We have a vast library of other videos. Please click here to view all product videos. Click here to subscribe to our YouTube channel for upcoming products and solutions.